regret after one night in Montreal.
We are doing another fall video. I love making these cozy fall videos, especially in August, because it really just gets me so excited for the fall season. I think by the time this video is going to be posted, it's going to be a little bit closer to September, and I am so excited. To start off this video, me and my boyfriend are going to go to Starbucks and try a few of their fall drinks. I am so excited to try the non-dairy chai. I think it's going to be so good, and I can't wait because I've heard a lot of good things about it. For today's little fit, I'm wearing a matching set, which I feel like screams fall, especially because it's a very light summer set, so it's a good summer to fall transition. I got it from the TikTok shop and I am obsessed with it, and then I'm just wearing some Air Forces as well. We're gonna go to Starbucks and try a few of their fall drinks, and I'm very excited to see how they taste.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high.
I just got the drinks and I'm going to give them a little try. This one looks the most aesthetically pleasing to me. This is a tall pumpkin cold brew. The top of it is my favorite. I just think this looks beautiful. This is really good. I usually don't like coffee, but the pumpkin cold brew makes it like a 9 out of 10. I meant to say the cold foam. Next, I'm going to try the short pumpkin spice latte. I didn't know they had a short version. I thought it was just a tall, grande, and venti, and then Trenta, but this was an option for hot on the app, so I got this size. This one is my favorite every year. I love it. This is like a 10 out of 10. Next, I'm gonna try the tall apple crisp oat milk macchiato. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but I don't taste apple. I was expecting to taste apple. I would rate this one like a 3 out of 10. It's not my favorite. And then the next one I got is the apple non-dairy cold foam chai. This one tastes like apple, but this one's very sweet. I like sweet though, so I would rate this like a 7 out of 10, but if you don't like a sweet drink, I don't think that you would necessarily like this. It does taste like apple though, and does remind me of fall. That is all the drinks I'm going to try for today. I
don't like this.
I do like it. I rated it a 7 out of 10.
A 7?
Well, it's sweet. It depends on if you want a sweet, refreshing drink or not.
It tastes like I'm drinking an apple strudel. This is delicious.
It is really good.
You just gave it a 7.
I'll change my answer to a 9 out of 10. I think my favorite one is the pumpkin spice latte because that reminds me the most of pumpkin and fall. The next one I like the most is the non-dairy cold foam apple crisp chai. And then the next one would be the pumpkin cold brew with the pumpkin cold foam on top. And my least favorite is the apple crisp oat milk macchiato. I honestly don't really like that one at all, but all the other ones I think are very good and I would get again. Now I'm actually going to go get some fall inspired nails. My nails look insane right now and they definitely need to be redone, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. I have no idea if I want to do a design or chrome yet, but I will definitely keep you updated. I just finished getting my nails done and they look so good. I got the color coffee bean with white chrome over it and I'm obsessed with them. I think they look exactly like fall and they really remind me of that summer to fall transition. Now I'm back at my boyfriend's house and I'm actually going to make pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I did get the pre-made ones, but I'm so excited to make these and try them out. And of course, I'm going to watch Gilmore Girls while I'm baking them. And I'm also going to light a candle because I feel like that's just the perfect fall baking experience, especially when it's a little bit more cold outside, and today it felt like fall in the morning, which was amazing. So I'm very excited to make these pumpkin cinnamon rolls, so let's go do that.
Summer is ended.
smells so good.
I just realized that I didn't do my hair today after I got home from the gym, and I completely meant to curl it, and I'm kind of annoyed at myself now, but it's okay because I'm going out to dinner with my friend tonight, so I'll curl it when I get home. So just ignore my hair in this video because I feel like it looks terrible, but I'm at Trader Joe's right now. I think that they're releasing some of their fall items, so I want to see if they came out with anything yet. I saw on TikTok that it's probably going to be more in September, but I've been coming every single week to see if I can get some early fall items, so let's go see what we can find. I just got back in my car from Trader Joe's. They actually did have a few more fall items and I was surprised. So they had the maple leaf cookies. They also had apple cider donuts, which looked so good. And then they had these apple chips that looked really good. But I asked one of the workers there when the fall items were coming out, and she actually said the middle of next week. I am so excited. I didn't get anything from Trader Joe's today because I want to wait and do a whole taste test of all the fall items. So I definitely will be going back. I also was going to look for some fall flowers, but there was none that really caught my eye, so I'm also going to wait for next week as well. I'm actually going to go to my boyfriend's now to get ready to go to dinner with my friend Haley. I don't get to see her that much, but whenever we do, it feels like no time has passed, and I'm very excited to see her. We're gonna go get Italian food, and something about Italian food just screams comfort to me. I love a nice Italian dinner and bread and a glass of wine on a cozy fall night, so I wanted to include this because it really does remind me of a fall night, especially since it's a little bit colder out and I can wear a fall outfit, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do my hair, change my outfit, and then we're gonna go to dinner. It's a few days later now. Dinner was really good. I had such a fun time with Haley. I ended up not getting pasta, but I did get chicken fingers, which is another one of my comfort meals, and it was just a really fun and wholesome night. Now it is literally 90 degrees in New Jersey, but I'm still pretending it's fall. It is August 28th right now. I plan to have this video up on Friday, which is going to be the 30th, and that means September is literally only 2 days away, and I need to do some things to prepare for September. So I want to go to Target. I want to look at their dollar section, and I also want to get a new little notebook and do some goal setting for September as well, because whenever I do that and write down my goals, I really do see a big difference. So I definitely want to do that before September comes, and I'll talk about that more when I get back to my boyfriend's house. For my little outfit, I am wearing a cute fit. It is all from American Eagle. I will enter a little outfit fit right here. I love this outfit. However, it is sweltering hot, so it's probably not a good summer to fall transition piece, but I'm trying to really embrace those fall vibes, so that's why we're doing this. I also wanted to show you guys my phone case. I got this from Amazon a few weeks ago, and I don't think I ever showed you. I'm obsessed with it. I will have it linked on my storefront, and I will also link this outfit down below because I really like it. None of this is sponsored. I am just very excited for fall. So let's go to Target and see what we can find.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
I just got out of Target, and they ended up having a lot of their fall seasonal baking stuff in, and I am so excited. I'll do a little haul when I get home. And I also decided to get a pumpkin spice latte. It was so good. Something about those drinks just really hit the spot every single time. I'm gonna drive home now, and then we're gonna do a little haul of all the fall items that I got, and very excited to try these out. And then I also did get a notebook as well because I do want to do some goal setting for the month of September. I just got back, so we're gonna do a little haul. The first thing I got is this Pillsbury Perfectly Pumpkin Cake Mix. I want to make this in one of my videos coming up, and I think it'll be really fun, so I picked this up. To go along with that, I of course had to get the orange frosting, and this is in the flavor vanilla. It is the Pillsbury Funfetti with the sprinkles, and I'm going to use this for the pumpkin cake mix. I think I actually might use cream cheese frosting. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely am going to use this for some something. And then I also got these sprinkles. These are pumpkins, ghosts, and bats, and I got these for chocolate covered strawberries I'm gonna make. Then I saw these Ghost Pillsbury ready to bake sugar cookies, and these are my favorite cookies ever, and whenever I see them I usually get one just because I eat them all the time. I don't always bake them at the same time. Sometimes I'll literally put 3 in the oven and keep the other ones in the refrigerator just so they don't go bad, but I love these so much, and especially warm, they're the perfect snack. I also did get that pumpkin tree hut body scrub, but it's in my trunk because that is actually going to my house, but I did get that, and I also got the candy corn I was holding as well. And then I got this noted notebook. It looks like this. I was looking for a fall color, and this green was the closest that they had, but the reason why I got this is because of the way the pages are split up. I am trying to journal and goal set in a very specific way, which I'll explain later, and I liked how much room there was on these pages, and I also liked how there was blank spaces at the top so I can do little to-do lists and stuff like that. So I got this little notebook as well. Then I went to the book section in Target because I really wanted to get a new fall book, and unfortunately they did not have the book I was looking for, but I did order it on Amazon, and I'm actually very excited to start reading it. If you've watched my vlogs before, you guys probably know I don't like reading. I've said this in many of my videos, but I try to read just to better my mind because I know it's good for me. And I saw this book on TikTok and it actually looked really interesting, so I ended up wanting to get it, and I am very excited. It is called The Pumpkin Spice Cafe. I ordered it on Amazon and it's coming on Friday, and I think it's gonna be really good. I obviously haven't read it yet, but from the reviews that I've seen, it's a good book. So I will definitely keep you updated on that, but I was looking through the book section for that book, and then I was also looking for the Cinnabon book that I saw on TikTok as well, but they didn't have that either. I think you have to get them at Barnes & Nobles, but if anyone has read it or is going to read it, let me know because I'm curious to see how you like it. That is everything I got from Target. I'm gonna go inside now. I actually have to go to my grandma's house, and I'm going to spend the rest of the night with her, so I'm going to pick this vlog back up tomorrow. It is now the next day, and I'm wearing my little pumpkin bear shirt. This is from Target. I think it's so cute, and it really matches the fall vibes, especially because September is literally 2 days away. Right now, I'm going to do some goal setting in my journal from Target. I realized yesterday you couldn't really see what the pages looked like, so I just wanted to give you a better overview of what they looked like. But like I was saying, I love how there's a lot of space, and what I like to do is I like to put a to-do list for each week out of the month and kind of write down how I'm going to break down my goals and actually be able to reach them by the end of the month. So I'll do my YouTube goals, I'll do my personal work goals, I'll do my fitness goals, I'll do my health goals, and just some other personal goals that I have, and then I'll write a little manifestation guide on how I'm going to achieve those and act like it is already mine. And then at the end of the month, I'll come back and I'll look at this journal and see what I achieved and what I didn't and what needs to be carried over until the next month. So that is the little plan. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna light a candle, and then we're gonna do some goal setting and some journaling and some manifestation. Later now, and I'm going to make an afternoon snack. I just finished my goal setting and I think that went pretty well. I have my Ghost Pillsbury cookies and I'm very excited to make these, so I'm gonna put these in the oven. And then I also have whipped cream and some candy corn, and I'm going to make a nighttime drink. It's just hot chocolate with whipped cream and some candy corn, and if you have marshmallows, you can put mini marshmallows on it as well. So let's put all of this in the oven and make our hot chocolate.
Oh, I can just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same.
up going to the gym and I feel so refreshed. I didn't film this part, but going to the gym, especially for a reset or preparing for a new month, is something that I really enjoy just because it gets me on the right track and it really does make me feel good about myself. And I wasn't feeling the best before or this whole entire day, and after I got back from the gym, I just feel completely different and it really does help me. I just had my little ghost cookie and it was very good. And now I'm gonna close out this video, but I am going to watch Gossip Girl. I love Gossip Girl. In most of my videos and on fall days, I do watch Gilmore Girls because I love it, but I feel like Gossip Girl is still a fall show, especially there's nothing quite like autumn in New York sound, and the most iconic scene of Gossip Girl is the Thanksgiving scene, which of course is around fall time. So I'm going to watch an episode of Gossip Girl, and my hot chocolate was also so good. What I did was I actually made an espresso and then I put hot chocolate in it with some cocoa powder and then put whipped cream, Halloween sprinkles, and some candy corn, and it was so good. I've never made that before. I've made something similar to it for Christmas and it does not disappoint, so I would definitely recommend. But that is going to be it for this video. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and also comment what you're most excited for the month of September. It's officially fall soon and I'm just so excited. I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.